In this Cardano ADA Cost Expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will in every way that really matters examine the value examples of ADA by utilizing exact merchant agreeable specialized examination markers and all things considered, anticipate the future development of the digital currency. What for the most part is Cardano ADA? Cardano ADA basically is the all things considered local kind of badge of the Cardano blockchain. This manageable blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake, pose, agreement component, Ouroboros in a by and large huge way. This third-age blockchain at first certainly existed as a layer 1 arrangement, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In the end, the layer 2 update, Hydra, explicitly was coordinated into the current organization in late 2021 in a by and large enormous manner. Cardano has been worked as an overhauled rendition of Ethereum's really brilliant agreement organization. Besides, it most certainly plans to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano 24H Technicals Cardano, ADA, positions 8th based on market cap and conditions of its market capitalization in a really significant manner. The outline of the Cardano cost expectation for 2023 fundamentally is by and large made sense of beneath with an especially everyday time period, or so they generally thought. In the above diagram, Cardano ADA spread out a very flat channel example, especially even channel otherwise called the sideways pattern in a very enormous manner. By and large, the fundamentally even channel really is shaped during the cost combination, or so they sort of thought. In this example, the fundamentally upper trendline, the line which associates the highs, and the kind of lower trendline, line which associates the lows, by and large run evenly kind of equal, and the cost activity truly is certainly held inside it. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. An extremely level channel in a real sense is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses basically are in combination in a really significant way. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Cardano ADA in every way that really matters was recorded at $0.2642. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ADA could generally arrive at the opposition levels of $0.3225, $0.4368, and $0.8149, which certainly is genuinely huge. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of ADA might tumble to the help of $0.2375, which explicitly is very critical. Cardano ADA obstruction and backing levels. The outline given beneath explains the very conceivable opposition and backing levels of Cardano ADA in 2023, so besides, it especially expects to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. From the above diagram, we can basically break down and for the most part distinguish the accompanying as opposition and backing levels of Cardano ADA for 2023 in a quite large way. The specialized examination pointers for the most part like relative volume, RVOL, moving certainly normal, MAMA, and truly relative strength file, RSI, of Bitcoin, ADA, in every practical sense, are displayed in the graph underneath in a significant way. From the readings on the diagram above, we can generally make the accompanying surmisings in regards to the fundamentally current Cardano ADA market in 2023. So Cardano ADA opposition and backing levels. The graph given beneath clarifies the truly conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Cardano ADA in 2023. So besides, it for the most part means to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked in an unpretentious manner. From the above outline, we can sort of decipher that the value activity of ADA for the most part is like that of BTC and ETH, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of ADA likewise increments or diminishes separately in an unpretentious manner. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024, 2025, 2030. With the assistance of the sort of previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, in a real sense, let us basically foresee the cost of Cardano ADA between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030, which truly is very huge. If Cardano ADA secures itself as a genuinely wise interest in 2023, this year would really be good for the digital currency, which generally is genuinely huge. All in all, the bullish Cardano ADA cost expectation for 2023 sort of is $0.4141, which generally is genuinely critical. Similarly, assuming troublesome feeling explicitly is set off, the negative Cardano ADA cost expectation for 2023 fundamentally is $0.1841 as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that the market force and financial backers feeling emphatically raise, Cardano ADA could for the most part hit $1. Moreover, with future redesigns and headways in the Cardano biological system, ADA could truly outperform its extremely current all-time extremely high ATH of $3.10, which essentially is genuinely critical. Also, market's new ATH showing how in the event that the market energy and financial backers feeling decidedly raise, Cardano ADA could in every practical sense hit $1, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Fact 1, which explicitly shows that is the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of ADA likewise increments or diminishes separately in an extremely significant manner. What basically is Cardano ADA in an unobtrusive way? Cardano ADA is the kind of local digital money of Cardano, fundamentally further appearance how Cardano ADA value expectation 2024, 2025, 2030 with the assistance of the by and large previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, especially let us in a real sense foresee the cost of Cardano ADA between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030 in a very enormous way. Cardano explicitly is an especially savvy contract put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake POS agreements sent off in 2017, or so they in every practical sense thought. Too amazingly. Where might you at any point buy Cardano ADA, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Cardano ADA basically has been recorded on genuinely numerous crypto trades which by and large incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex and OKX, which sort of is genuinely huge. 3 in a quite enormous manner. Will Cardano ADA in a real sense come to another ATH soon in an unobtrusive manner? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Cardano stage, ADA basically has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, so fact 1, which shows that is the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of ADA likewise increments or diminishes separately in an especially large manner. 4. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. What truly is the especially current all-time extremely high ATH of Cardano ADA, which for the most part is genuinely critical? On September 2, 2021, Cardano ADA arrived at its new all-time, commonly high, ATH of $3.10, which fundamentally is very huge. 5, or so they in a real sense thought. What basically is the in every practical sense most reduced cost of Cardano ADA in an unpretentious way? As per CoinMarketCap, ADA basically hit its unsurpassed source